Okay guys, right in the heart of Peshawar is this juice maker. Brilliant guy, very nice and fresh juice. Nice and clean. Organic and natural. Nothing artificial, no added flavors, preservatives, sugars, nothing. He's one of the best juice makers in town. Make sure you come to him and buy his juice. Absolutely clean and perfect. And very natural. No added sugars, no added ingredients, absolutely nothing. Very tasty and healthy. When you take a sip, you know you're drinking natural juice made of oranges. Absolutely perfect guy. Very nice guy. And makes the most perfect juice ever. So make sure you come to him and you enjoy it. Very good for health, very healthy if you have sort of flu symptoms, hay fever, anything like that. Citrus, orange, lemon, mixture of everything. Absolutely perfect juice. Enjoyable, pretty cheap and affordable. I think he charges 120 rupees for one glass, which is very good in this day and age when everything's pretty expensive. And absolutely amazing. भाईजान बताएं अपने जूस के बारे में कुछ हमें क्या बताना चाहेंगे?
ये जूस बहुत अच्छा जूस है। सारे पाकिस्तान में ये जूस किसी को नहीं मिलेगा। ये सिर्फ और सिर्फ ख़ुसूसी मेहमान को मिलेगा।
ख़ुसूसी मेहमान?
हाँ, उसको मिलेगा। ये इधर सारा शरबत है तो बहुत ज़्यादा है, लेकिन ये इधर ये रेडी जो है ना, ये पीसी के साथ से इधर इधर रहेगा और भी रहेगा। इधर चाइना से भी लोग आ रहे हैं।
अच्छा, पीने के लिए
लोग से इधर बंद आ रहे हैं। इसमें गनमन नहीं है, सारा सफा
नेचुरल है।
हाँ
सही, चल बहुत शुक्रिया भाईजान, थैंक यू।